Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about the OxygenOS 12 for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So OnePlus has started rolling out the OxygenOS 12 update for the OnePlus 9 series. So OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9 has started getting the update. Now we all know that the ColorOS 12 or the ColorOS, this is the one which is powering the OxygenOS 12. So there has been a the reuse of code from ColorOS on the OxygenOS 12. So in fact we had mentioned the differences between ColorOS and OxygenOS 12 in a separate video, so that is available on our channel. So you can check out that video to see what is different with the ColorOS 12 and the OxygenOS 12. Now we have the OnePlus 9 Pro. So here we have the OnePlus 9 Pro. So let's just go to the about phone. Let's just take about phone. So there you go, you can see here this is a OnePlus 9 Pro, Qualcomm 888, and we have Android 11 right now. This is OxygenOS 11.2. so we're going to update this device to OxygenOS 12 and see what are the changes. So before that, let's see here you can see the UI here. This is the dark mode, and then here you can see the notification toggles, then app drawer. So these are the UI here. Now let's upgrade this to the OxygenOS 12 and then come back and see how it looks. So right now we have upgraded to the OxygenOS 12. So let's see the UI. So you can see here this is the UI. So first let's go to the settings. So here you can see the new UI. So the first impression what I felt was the UI looks a bit too tiny, because from the settings from where I upgraded, the font looks a bit too tiny, but here outside the font looks a bit too big. So there is a bit of inconsistency here with the UI. So let's see here about device. So you can see here OnePlus 9 Pro. Again the processor is mentioned wrongly here it's mentioned as 855 octa-core processor, but it's an 888 chip. You have 12 GB RAM mentioned, Android 12. So you can see here this is the Android 12 version. So that's the main settings page. You can see here this is a bit too tiny for me. Here again probably you can increase the font size, but then the whole font size will also be changed. So this I feel there is a bit inconsistency in the font options. So let's go to the personalizations. So there you go, you can see here wallpaper, icons, canvas 2.0. so this is the new canvas 2.0, and here we have the option to select the images, and then themes are there always on display, then fonts and display, that's what we see here. So OnePlus Sans is available, but then here again the size is something which differs here. Font size, let's just increase this a bit. So let's see. So there you go, we have just changed the size. So now quick settings looks much better. Here also you can see here now it's almost quite okay. So we just changed the font size, so now it's back to normal. So here again personalization, you can see here colors. You can choose the colors. So you can here color chooser based on how you want the theme color to look like. Then quick settings, you want a circle, then here you can see here you can choose the shape for the icons, then that's a notification drawer. Then horizon light is there, you can have red, blue, and an yellow color. So these are the options. So font and display size are also there. That's as I said before, that's the change here. Then you can change the icons also. You can see that you can change the icon size, or rather the default material icon. Then you can see some additional options are there. Custom icons are also included. So this is how you can set the icons. You can select the rounded corners. The shape also can be selected here. So these are the options. Again, these are nothing new to the OS, but the way they are arranged is kind of different here. That's how it looks. Now here home screen and lock screen layout. So you can see here additional options also are there. Then next going to the system settings, you can see the system navigation option, gestures and motion, convenient tools. So screenshot is there, screen recording is there, OnePlus shelf is also included. So you can here launch the shelf from the top right corner. That's how you can launch the shelf. So we'll just show you. So you can see here this is how the shelf looked like. What's new in shelf? Access shelf anywhere, personalized with resizable display cards, a smart scout search. So you can see this is the shelf, and you can just select the area. So you can search literally anything here. smart search, that's the one. We can just search for anything here, and then you can get the options. So this is how the search works. So that's the search. Then coming back to the UI, you can see here work-life balance. So there are two modes, work mode and life mode. So you can set up this mode, and based on the time or location, you can change these modes. So basically, if you are in work, certain apps will not be showing notifications, and when you are in life mode, certain apps may not be showing notification, and some others might be showing. So that's how the work life mode works. So work mode, and you can see here be focused at work and improve productivity. So we'll talk about this how to set up work mode and work life mode later. In fact, we have done this detailed video in our beta version testing of the OnePlus OxygenOS 12. So you can just check out that video. So that's the work life mode. Then scout search, you can see here show all results. So everything can be customized. One-handed mode, split screen. So these are the features included here. Actually, I feel this looks pretty smooth. Again, as I have not tested this device after the upgrade, so I've just upgraded, made the video. So the testing will happen in the next few days. So we are not sure whether there are any bugs reported or how is the battery life. So we can't answer those questions because we have not tested it. So we just upgraded it and then showed it to you how it looks. So in the coming days, we'll be testing in detail to report any bugs or issues we are facing on this device. So that's how the OnePlus OxygenOS looks like. Now if you can see the app drawer. So this is how the app drawer looks like. Nothing much change. You can actually see here there is also hidden apps included. So next let's see the toggles. So you can see here these are the toggles included. So looks quite okay, although there are a bit of alignment issues. You can see here the space between this area and this area is slightly different. Probably the font alignment is also not very impressive, but still there aren't any bugs as of now. So you can see here these are some of the features. Then you also get the private area, that's the private safe. So you can see here you can set up your private safe, and you can have your personal files, documents, images stored there. So you can see here set password. So now I've set up the private safe. So you can see here I can add images here. So there you go, you can just add images from here, whatever images you want you can add it, and this will be available only in the private safe. And you can set a fingerprint login for the private safe as well. You can store documents, other files, audio and images and videos. So this is some new feature included, private safe. So next in the display settings, so there are some changes. So one is the dark mode. So you can see here dark mode isn't anything new here, but if you go to dark mode settings, so there are three dark mode settings here: enhanced, medium and general. Again, enhanced is the darkest of all the three modes. Then we have the medium dark mode, and then there is a gentle dark mode. You can see that the darkness of the background increases with enhanced, and it slightly reduces with medium, and gentle obviously has a slightly lesser dark mode. So you can see here you can adjust wallpapers to the dark mode, adjust icons to the dark mode, and dark mode for third-party apps. So you can enable dark mode for selected third-party apps which are available. So this is something again which is new. Again, you get all the features what you're seeing on the OxygenOS 12, very similar to the ColorOS 12. We have already done the video again here. So these are some of the features. So some of the new changes are the dark mode, the shelf, then work-life balance, then the canvas AOD, and then also we have some additional options like the gallery option. So we'll just show you that gallery as well. So this is the new gallery. So you can actually you can see here I can just use the two fingers to increase or decrease the, you can see here this is how it works. Again, it's not very smooth, there are some lag here. So there you go, that's how you can see the gallery. So this is a new feature in the gallery. Again, some things need to improve here, especially the overall consistency in the UI is not really impressive. Probably in the next iterations OnePlus would be improving it, but as of now we didn't see any bugs in our limited time of usage. But again, we have to try this more to know whether there are any major bugs. So that was our first impressions of the OxygenOS 12 on OnePlus 9 Pro. So we have done a separate video in-depth analysis of the beta version. You can also check out that video to see what all changes were there in the first version and now what all changes are available now. So we will be doing a detailed video later to see whether there are any bugs in this UI. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off with the OxygenOS 12 for the OnePlus 9 Pro. It's also available for the OnePlus 9. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.